Hi there. We've got coming up a 2 to 3 hour workshop webinar with Peter Cronin, and it's orientated around a new book that hasn't been released yet, all about taking your sketching and your watercolour painting to the next level. I've got Peter with me here now. Hi Peter.
Hi John.
Hi. And for this 2 to 3 hour workshop webinar, we're going to be covering a Tuscan town setting, so it sounds amazing. What are you going to be incorporating within that class? What are people going to be learning?
Well, basically, I'm going to introduce my method that arises from this book that's due to be published very soon. And it's after years of working in the field, you find a way to quickly get down to the subject and quickly nail down what you want from a subject. So we're going to be going through that process and explaining the sort of tools, I suppose, that I've developed over the years to rapidly identify a subject and rapidly get it down on the paper, because sketching can be learned actually more easily, I think, than other forms of art. And it's so exciting once you get over that first hurdle to be able to look at something and simply respond to it, you know, with a humble pencil. It's a great tool.
I know, it's amazing what you can accomplish with just that little piece of wood. So it's a 2 to 3 hour workshop webinar, so a really immersive class. And what will make it even more special is that you can have the opportunity of having the book in front of you, the book before it's been released to anybody else in the world, that you can basically be referring to as Peter goes through the class. So the workshop entry incorporates the book delivered to you. We've also got an amazing opportunity during the workshop where we're actually going to be talking about a £50 book voucher that we're going to be giving to one lucky attendee of the workshop as well. So not only will you get a pre-released copy of Peter's book with a signed page in there as well, but you'll also have the opportunity of working through it with him, really getting absorbed in the book and learning all those different techniques, as well as the opportunity of receiving a £50 voucher for spending on other art and creative books afterwards. So really hope you can join us. It should be an amazing opportunity, and really looking forward to it. So thank you so much, Peter, for your time.
Thanks, John. I'm looking forward to it too.
I know, it'll be brilliant. Bye.
Bye now.